this experiment, we will test for the oxygen released from green water plants during photosynthesis. First, fill a transparent plastic bottle with water. Add a little sodium hydrogen carbonate to the water and mix well. Put some green water plants into the bottle. Squeeze the plastic bottle gently so that a small amount of solution flows out. Screw the cap tightly and make sure the bottle remains collapsed. Leave the bottle in bright light for at least 4 hours until the bottle returns to its original shape. What happens to the leaves during this period? Now, unscrew the cap. Immediately put a glowing splint over the mouth of the plastic bottle. What happens to the glowing splint? In this experiment, we can observe that some gas bubbles are formed on the surfaces of the green leaves after leaving the plastic bottle in bright light for a period of time. When we put a glowing splint over the mouth of the bottle, it relights. This indicates that oxygen is produced during photosynthesis.